Hey, in this short video you will see how easy it is to create talking avatars, AI video talking avatars. Videos not like this, as you can see, without preparation, the background, it looks like crap. And with AI avatars you have everything under control in a second. I intentionally didn't set up the background. Just take a look and see how easy it is to create AI talking avatars and AI video avatars, whatever. Check it.
Hello! In this demo video, I'll show you exactly how Humanify works. Humanify is the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL, article, PDF, document, blog, or keyword into Ultra HD stunning virtual human videos that dominate any platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. No camera needed, no recording, no editing required, and absolutely no API costs, monthly fees, or hassle. To get started, simply click on the Talking Video menu. Here you'll discover an array of breathtaking templates designed for instant creation of virtual human talking videos. For a full preview, just click Select Template. You'll also find our exceptional character talking template, ideal for creating vibrant Ultra HD character talking videos. And if you want to use your own celebrity, presenter, or unique character, simply use the custom upload option to transform them into virtual talking videos. For this demo, let's use the human talking template. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to set up your voice. You can generate a voice directly in Humanify or upload your own custom voice or audio speech. To generate your own voice, select a voice from our library, available in multiple languages, type your script manually or leverage on AI to craft the entire script for you. All you need to input is your keyword and click on Generate. Want to convert content from your website, blog, online store, or any web page? Just paste the URL and Humanify will automatically fetch the content. You can also directly upload Microsoft Word documents or PDFs, and Humanify will quickly extract the content. You have lots of flexible options to work with. Once your script is ready, click Generate Voice and watch as Humanify instantly transforms your text into an incredibly lifelike human voice. Finally, to perfectly sync your video with the audio, click Generate Talking Video. And voila! Your virtual human talking video is now being generated. Ready to check it out?
Welcome. This is Humanify Demo Video, the world's first AI engine that turns any text, URL, article, PDF.
Incredible, isn't it? Absolutely mind-blowing. This looks incredibly realistic, and you can easily download it with a single click. Awesome. Now let's create another stunning HD virtual human video, but this time in French. Here's how easy it is. Choose your desired template, select your preferred voice, input your text, or leverage any of our content options here. Click Generate Voice, and finally hit Generate Talking Video. The video's processing now. Ready? Let's check it out.
Une vidéo de démonstration de Humanify. Le premier moteur d'IA au monde qui transforme n'importe quel texte, URL, article, PDF, document, blog ou mot-clé.
Wow, look at that! A lifelike virtual human speaking flawlessly in French. Notice the emotion, energy, and perfect lip synchronization without compromising quality. Next up, let's make a captivating character talking video in Spanish. The process remains just as simple. Pick the character talking template you'd like, choose the voice that fits your style, enter your text, or let our AI generate compelling content using just a keyword. Click Generate Voice, then Generate Talking Video. And just like that, boom, your video is ready. Click play and watch the magic unfold.
Bebe mucha agua. Mantente hidratado y ayuda a acelerar tu metabolismo bebiendo al menos 8 vasos de agua al día. 2. Come alimentos frescos y naturales.
Outstanding! The video looks fantastic. You can always revisit your video history to access all your previously generated videos effortlessly. With Humanify, creating stunning virtual talking videos is a breeze. And these type of videos dominate any social platform instantly, pulling in thousands of daily views while generating passive income on complete autopilot. The best part? No API costs, no monthly fees, absolutely zero hassle. This is the only app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for any AI model. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside.
Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy to create custom avatars. You don't have to set up the lighting or anything like that, and people like watching at other humans. So just click the link below this video and take a look at the offer, because it's really cheap comparing to popular avatar video creators as HeyGen, for example. So click the link below this video and check the software, because it's really affordable. Just click the link below and check it.